how to start building your sales funnels for free. If you are interested to know, then just keep watching this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a digital funnel specialist and the founder of Freedom Funnels Hub. And in today's video, I am going to show you a way that you can use to build sales funnels for free. Yes, you can get started for free, and the way that I'm going to show you is something which is amazing, because this is the tool which is the direct alternative of ClickFunnels. Yes. So if you don't know what is ClickFunnels, so ClickFunnels is the most widely used tool for creating and building sales funnels. It is pretty expensive because the starting the starting plan is $97 per month. Okay, but you don't need to spend that much money, because the tool that I'm going to show you is the tool uh, that is that will offer you almost all the features that ClickFunnels has, and it is actually free to start. You can start for free. They have the paid plans as well, but the free plan is more than sufficient to start and launch your first funnels, because it has almost everything that you need to launch. Okay, so let's just dive deep into the video. But before I start, I will show you the tool. um, it is my request to you that please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified about all the future videos, because I will keep posting so many videos about funnels, about internet marketing, about affiliate marketing. So let's just begin the video. Okay, so the tool that I'm talking about is that this tool, it is system.io. Okay, so this is the tool system.io. Okay, so if you want, I will just give the link. Okay, give the link in the description. You can just click and sign up. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just see how this tool works and what this tool is all about. So in this video I will walk you through the features and all the options that this tool has. Okay, and if you want to learn about this tool more, then I will come up with more videos or more tutorials where I will show you how to use this tool and build funnels. Okay, so this is the tool and this is the interface. So exactly when you log in, you will land here, and here you can see that it's a very clean and easy to use interface. Okay, there is no very messy kind of dashboard. Okay, very clean and very easy to use. Okay, so here we have two sections: leads and sales. So all your leads and sales you can track from here. Okay, so this is the new account that I have just created. Actually, I have just bought the plan 1 month back, and since then I'm not very active with this tool. So I'm actually going to start this tool. I'm going to start using this tool from now. I have just explored the tool. I have launched, I have just tested a few funnels, and I think it's working good. So let me show you uh, this tool. Okay, so as you can see that Oh, this is the interface, and here you can see your leads and sales. Now, what are the options available here? So here we have dashboard, contacts, funnels, email, blog, automation, products and services, and help section. Okay, so these are the broad category of options that are available. Now, inside dashboard we have this main dashboard, which is this area. Then we have affiliate dashboard. So if you will join the affiliate program of system.io, where you can promote and earn commissions, so you will be you can just click here and you can see you can access your affiliate dashboard directly from here. Okay, here is a library option. So library option is the option system.io have their own courses. Okay, so if you join any of their courses, you can see those courses here. Okay, and marketplace is the market is their own marketplace where you can list your own product and sell it to others. Okay, and even you can use that marketplace to attract affiliates who will sell the product, who will sell your product on your behalf. Okay, so you can do this as well. So this is what the marketplace is all about. So here you will have these four options. Now let's just jump into the main thing. So let me just show you the funnel first, because this is the funnel builder. So let me show you how funnels works here. Okay, so just click here. Okay, so I have just okay, let me just delete this funnel. Okay, so let me just confirm, because I have already created a demo funnel yesterday. So now I will show you, when you click on funnels, you will see this area where you can see all your funnels. Okay, let me just show you here. So here you can see I have all my funnels listed here. Okay, so what you need to do, what you can do, if you want to create a new funnel, you need to click on this button, create, and you will get these four options. Okay, so you will choose any of the option here, and you will name it. So let me just give it a name, demo funnel. Okay, and let me choose the custom option. Okay, so you have four options, but there is not much difference. You can do anything with every option. So let's just choose custom option and keep the currency US dollars. So let's just create this funnel. Okay, now as I have created the funnel, you can see there is no step, but you can add steps here. So you can create, you can simply click on create, and suppose you want to create an opt-in page. So just give it the name to opt-in page, and just select squeeze page. Okay, you will here you will have all the options. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the options. So we need to just, we need, suppose I want I want a squeeze pace. So I have just selected the squeeze pace, and I will click save. And as I will click save, I will have my first step here, and I will get these templates. Okay, they have a very uh, decent size of template library that is completely free to use. So you can pick any of these templates and just customize them according to your need. Okay, isn't it amazing, right? You are getting these pre-built pages that you can use for your own funnel. So let me just choose something very very simple. Okay, so what could be the option? Okay, let's just choose this option. This is looking very nice, so let's just click select. Okay, so now I have my first page ready. Okay, let me just see the page, how it is how it's looking. Okay, so this is the page. If you want to customize it, simply just click edit page. Okay, and when you click edit page, you will be taken to the editor, where you can simply edit anything. Okay, you will click and you can simply like as you can see. Okay, okay, you can delete, you can let me just write it again. Okay, so you can do anything. If you want take it up, if you want to take it up, you can do that as well. If you want to take it down, you can do that, you do it as well. Okay, so everything is possible. Here you will get all the options. Let me show you. Okay, so here you will get all the options. When you click here, you will you can add text, heading, bullet. Okay, and if you want to add it, simply just take it to this portion and click this gear button. Okay, and as you click this gear button, you will have all the options to edit this particular thing. Okay, you can align it, you can change the color, you can change the spacing, you can change the font height, typography, everything, every options are available here. Okay, so when you are done with the modifications according to your need, you simply save changes. And once you do that, what will happen, you will like you can simply just click this button and you will be taken to the main dashboard. Okay, so here you can see my first page is ready. So suppose I want to create another step. Okay, so I'm creating a lead funnel. So let's just create a thank you page. Okay, thank you page. and just select the opt-in thank you page and save. Okay, so now you will get all the option for the thank you pages. Okay, and you can select any of them. Okay, just select this one, and now your two-step funnel is ready. Okay, you can see your two-step funnel is ready, right? So this is the how this is the how, this is the tool, so easy to use, and you can use this tool to create your funnels. Right now, I will show you these things in detail in my future videos. In today's video, I just want to show you the all the options. So let's just move on to the next option. Okay, so here we have the option of contacts. Okay, so in contacts, uh, you can have all your contacts, because this tool is not just a funnel builder, but it's a complete email marketing solution as well. You can collect leads, and you can send emails. Okay, extremely sorry, guys. You can collect leads, and you can uh, send all your emails. You can do all your email marketing automation from here, from here itself. Okay, so this is the place where you will see all your contacts, the leads that you will get. Okay, and this option is for tags. So if you want to tag your leads according to your funnels, different funnels, you can do that. Okay, so the tagging option is also available. Now you have emails. So in inside okay, so inside newsletters, you can create a newsletter for your leads, for your audience. So you can start a monthly, or you can start a weekly newsletter, and you can send people uh, updates and all. Okay, so this is the place for creating newsletters and for sending uh, updates. Suppose today you want to send an email to your audience, you will go to newsletter, and you will simply just write or the update that you have for your audience, and you will send the email, and you all the contacts in your system will get that email. Okay, so this is how it works. And inside campaigns, you can actually schedule the emails. Okay, so you can create workflows, and you can automate the email sequences. Okay, so whenever someone, what happens here, like in funnels, what we do follow up, we do nurturing by email sequence. So what we do, whenever we get the email, whenever we generate a lead, what we do, we follow up with them, or we nurture the people with the help of an email sequence, so they will get the email for 5 days or for 10 days, whatever may be the email sequence you want. People have many successful marketers have the email sequence of as high as maybe 180 days or 90 days. Okay, so it's totally up to you. But suppose you want to send emails for next 7 days, so you can do that. You can automate it completely. You will write you will write 7 emails, and you will simply schedule them step by step, and the person, all the leads, whenever they join whenever they join your email list, they will get those, they will start getting the those emails. Okay, and this is how nurturing happens. So you will have the complete email marketing solution here itself. Now you have blog option, so you can create blogs. Okay, you can create blogs and post unlimited blog post. Okay, you can create automations. Okay, so here you will, like, you can create workflows. Here you can see like workflows. Okay, so this is the option where you actually automate. So I was a little bit confused. This campaign portion is for sending emails whenever someone joins your list. Okay, so you can send the campaigns, you can send the emails, and if you want to automate, you can do it inside workflows. Okay, you can, as you can see here, when you go inside this, so we are inside workflow option, and in this option you can actually uh, design your workflow, the complete flow, that how you want to send the emails to your audience. Okay, as you can see, you can simply set, suppose subscribe to Squeeze Pays form. So when someone subscribe, just wait for this particular time and then uh, apply the tag. And after tagging the after adding the tag, just subscribe to funnel building lead magnet campaign. Okay, so just subscribe the to the campaign, and what you will do, you will create the campaign in the campaign option. So that campaign will be triggered, and the and the emails inside that campaign will start going to the lead. Okay, so this is how you can automate the complete process, right? You can add steps by clicking here, action, decision, delay. Okay, so I will go deep into this thing in future videos, but this is, there are so many possibilities, right? You are understanding how powerful it is and how you can automate your emails with the help of this tool. Okay, so you can create funnels, you can create funnels, you can do complete email marketing, and you can have your blog as well inside it. Okay, now let me show you some other cool features. So you can um, you can actually have the membership site, you can create courses, and you have the complete membership area, member with that you can create for your audience, for your students. So suppose you want to sell courses, you want to sell memberships, you can have, you can create the membership site, and you can host your courses and your programs inside that membership site, right? So this is also possible in system.io. Amazing, right? This is amazing. So let me show you some other options. So you can have your own affiliate program. Suppose you want other people to promote your affiliate your product. Okay, you want them to promote your product, so for that you can start your own affiliate program and manage everything is right inside this tool. It will show you that which affiliate brings which, how much sales, and what amount of money you need to send. Okay, so you can send that money, right? You can have students for your courses, you can create bundles, course bundles as well. So you can create single course and you can have a bundle complete, you can create complete bundle of courses. Okay, so when you go inside this, and you can have like this is the course that I was just testing. So as you can see that uh, this is the course. Okay, so you can add the course, you can add one more course here, and in this way what will happen, it is a bundle, and you can, if you want to unlock it immediately, you will keep the delay 0, and if you want to unlock it after a period of time, you can set that time. Okay, so this is also possible. So we have physical products. Okay, you can sell physical products, like you want to have, if you want to start your e-com business, then you can do this as well. You want, if you want to give coupons, okay, you can create coupons, and you can give these coupons to your customers. Whenever they apply the coupons, they will get the discount. Okay, so this is also possible here. Here you will track all your transactions. Here you will see all the orders that you have got. This is for creating membership your membership site. Okay, um, here you will have the invoices for your affiliates. So if you have your affiliate program, you can create invoices from here, and these options I have already explained you. Okay, so this is, these are all the features that this tool has. So now you can understand that how powerful this tool is, right? And this tool is one of the best alternative of ClickFunnels. Like, I am into digital marketing space from past 4 years, and I have tested multiple tools. Okay, but let me tell you that the option that I have got inside this tool and the simplicity to use this tool is commendable. Okay, I have tried Groove as well. Groove Funnels is one of the tool. I have tried that tool as well. but I didn't find that tool very user friendly. Okay, that is not that much user friendly, but this tool is very user friendly. You need don't need to uh, you don't need much tutorials, and you can explore it very easily. Okay, but still there is a learning curve. And um, if you really want to learn about this tool more, just subscribe my channel, because in future I am going to release a lot of videos around this tool, and I will teach each and everything inside this tool to you. Okay, so for that, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you guys. how how do you what do you think about this tool? Okay, what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comment box. Just let me know what do you think about it. Okay, I think that you will definitely love this tool. So if you really want this tool, okay, simply just go to the description and see the first link. Just click that link and you will take into the page, and in that page you can simply sign up for this tool. Okay, simply sign up for this tool. So and when you sign up, uh, I will add you to my community. Okay, I will add you to my community, and after adding to my community, I will be conducting live trainings there where you will learn about funnels. Okay, you will learn about funnels, and also I am going to give you my personal support. Okay, so just do it. You can, if you will do it with my link, you will get this support from me. You can connect with me if you want. We can have a one-to-one call as well. Okay, one-to-one consultation as well, and we can talk about your business. So everything is possible. But because you will be in my community, and inside my community I will be ready to talk to you, and we can connect, we can share value, we can learn, okay, together. So it's going to be amazing experience. So just go and click the link in the description or in the first comment. Okay, I will pin the first comment link in the first comment as well, so you can get the link from there as well. So that's all for today's videos, guys. I think that you find the today's video valuable, and I will keep coming with more videos like this. So um, subscribe the channel and hit that like button as well, because it will help me to reach out to more people, because the algorithm will like this. So that's all for today's videos. Thank you very much.